Welcome to Married to Portuguese. On each episode, my English-Irish husband Bob and I discuss and laugh about our life and adventures in the Portuguese culture.
Bom dia.
Bom dia. Hi, everyone. I don't know.
We should have recorded that whole pre-start because that was really terrific.
Okay, so we're talking here. We just finished recording one podcast, and then we always film two, one after the other. So this one now, we were talking, and we're like, okay, well, what's the next question people ask?
I was prepared for my topic.
Yeah, he was prepared, and
I
I'm
had
like...
notes and everything.
He had notes. I was very impressed.
Thanks.
Very impressed. And then we started talking about, okay, it's the end of January. You know, is there anything specific haven't spoken about that needs to be spoken about? And then we started talking about birthdays. So we're going to talk about birthdays.
We're going to talk about birthdays.
We're going to talk about birthdays. Okay. So your birthday month is coming up.
Yes.
My birthday month, we're in it right now.
That is correct.
January. I'm a January baby.
Mm-hmm. Janvier.
Yeah.
Which is French. I know French better than I know Portuguese.
Janeiro. Janeiro is January.
Okay.
So, I mean, we were just talking about this not too long ago, even before the podcast. And we were talking about how people who are born like right after the holidays or right around the holidays or after the holidays, the whole month, it's like, it stinks. Let me tell you, for me, it stinks because I have, like, my birthday is not that far after Christmas. And I always got, like, during Christmas, it was like birthday gifts at Christmas. Like, birthdays were like, my birthday was like, whatever. That's how I felt. And how do you feel about February as your birthday?
I think it's wonderful.
I
think it's the best month to have a birthday. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I don't know. I never thought about it one way or another being a good month or a bad month. Different for a January birthday because nobody wants to give you a gift. They just gave you gifts at Christmas. So why should I give you another gift?
And there's like no party. There's no, well, for me at least.
All right. Now, what if your birthday had been in June?
Yeah.
Would there have been parties?
Yes, because then you could invite people over. It's not always snowing or so freaking cold that nobody wants to leave their house.
Yes. You're blaming Mother Nature.
Yeah, I'm blaming Mother Nature too.
Okay.
I am.
It's a conspiracy. They're all against you and your birthday.
No, I'm against everyone whose birthday is in January. I am speaking for them. I am doing that. I'm taking a stand. I'm taking a stand. That's why the month my birthday...
This podcast is a PSA for January birthdays. That's what it is. It's a PSA.
Yeah, and you know what? It's the whole month. For those that are born in January, your birthday is not just that one day. Your birthday is the whole month. I'm sorry. I think you can take over the whole month and say, it's my birthday month. And that way, you have the whole month to celebrate your birthday. I think this needs to be said. I think we need to put that out there, that it is not just one day if you're born in January. The January people need to stick together, and we need to do the whole month. That's it.
Well, they say the pendulum swings both ways. So you want it to swing in the complete opposite direction.
Yes.
Okay. I mean, this is a lifetime of pent-up frustration.
It is. It is.
I get it.
I've got to say it. I got to say it. I got to take it out. Yeah. And I think everyone out there who is a January baby, they absolutely understand what I'm saying. They are. Because it's, yeah.
So I don't remember a lot about my birthdays growing up, quite frankly. Occasionally some parties.
Okay.
With some friends, maybe.
All right.
My mom used to make me some of my favorites, like stuffed shells and angel food cake. Mm-hmm. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
And I'm sure there were a couple of gifts involved, so that was okay. But I mean, certainly smaller.
Right.
When we were youths.
Right.
Didn't become to the production with petting zoos.
Oh, no.
That they are now.
No. No. But I will say, I was talking to someone the other day, and I'm like, oh yeah, like Bob and I are going out, and we're going to celebrate my birthday. Okay. And then it was something else. It's like, oh, that weekend. Oh, we're doing, something else. It's for my birthday. So we have to make up for that. It's got to be the whole month. That's it. I'm sticking to it.
I don't get a month.
Well, you could if you want to.
It's a short month, so that wouldn't be fair.
Well, that's on you, honey.
I never see, like, February 26th, you say, we should celebrate your birthday again. I don't think we adequately celebrated you and your birthday. And this is for you. This isn't for anybody else.
Okay.
Is that about right?
Honey, if you want to celebrate all of
now
February,
that I know it's an option.
All of February, I guess it's on you if you want to do that.
Well, I'm quite excited because I got like 2 weeks to plan. You and our daughters better be paying attention because I'm going to have things that I want for my birthday.
Whew. Okay. All right. So what do you plan on doing for your birthday?
Well, I've got 2 weeks to think about it. You only have 2 weeks left. We went to dinner last night. That was very nice.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What else would you like to do? Or is this, I have to come up with 30 ideas or 31 ideas for the 31 days of January.
Yes.
And you only have to come up with 29 this year.
29, it's leap year.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my.
So, trying to go back to the Portuguese slant on this. So growing up.
Yes.
Did your friends have parties?
No, not really. Not really. No. It was a different time. I'm in my 60s. It was a different time.
What? Well, I guess that's what I'm trying to get to. Like,
yeah.
Was it more? It was more of a family thing.
It was just family thing,
mm-hmm.
And it would be just immediate family thing. That was it.
Mm-hmm.
That was it. It's been to be like parabéns para você, parabéns, whatever, saying congratulations, the song and the whole bit. But that was it.
You can sing that for me.
No, not singing parabéns. No, I'm not doing it.
It's going to help me learn the language.
Oh, okay. All right. This is the barrier.
This is the immersion.
This is the immersion part.
Yep.
Okay.
I want you to sing that to me.
Whereas, now, again, I talk like this is how it's done in all Portuguese families, and now it's different. It's completely different. It's Americanized as well. And
mm-hmm.
there's all the parties and, events and the cakes and all the glitter and gold kind of stuff. But, that was not something I ever grew up with. But it is what it is. I mean, you get to make what you want to do out of your birthday when you're an adult. And, and my decision was, okay, the whole month. My birthday month. I don't have a date anymore. It's the birthday month.
So we want to make up for years past with...
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All right. So you understand that?
I do now. I do now because I realize I've got to get on board with the program very quickly. Otherwise, the other 11 months are going to be very long.
Very long months.
Okay. We'll work on this.
We'll work on this. Yeah, we'll have to. And so for those that are listening out there, do you agree with me on this? If you're a January baby, that we need to take over the whole month and not just one day, that no one really, whatever. Or do we need to go back to it's just one day and that's it? So are you with me on it or not?
I think the solution is just celebrate your birthday on January 31st. Get 5 weeks out from Christmas. Everybody has forgotten that they've given you presents. Just celebrate on January 31st.
No. The whole month. I'm sticking with the whole month.
How about the last week of the month? That seems pretty reasonable to me.
The last weekend? The last
week? Yeah.
No. Why do I have to choose? I don't have to choose. It's the whole month. That's what I choose. The whole month. I'm sticking with it.
That's a lot of pressure. That is a lot of pressure on me.
Well, then, like I said, then this February, you've got to figure out what you want to do.
Well,
And it's not only going to be on me and the girls.
Well, who else would it be on? My boss? I don't think so.
No, you won't. All right, we'll figure it out. We'll let you know how what happens once we get into February, guys. We'll let you know how this all works.
I'm going to start by getting you a mug.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
Okay, my handsome Bone Dia mug.
You're funny.
Beautiful azure color.
Oh, goodness. All right.
See what I did there?
Yes, I did. All right, guys. This is going to be quick and short.
All right.
We had, yeah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, everybody out there for January. Happy birthday.
All right. Thanks, everyone.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'd love to hear your ideas for topics. Ciao.